Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about how to interface LCD with Arduino controller using I2C bus. The first unit I have explained how to interface LCD with Arduino controller using UART. So in the second unit, we have studied two types of serial communication. One is called as I2C, another one is called as SPI. First, today class, I am going to explain how to use the I2C bus for serial communication. In the first unit, we have studied the LCD display that is called as 16 cross 2. So now I am going to take another one LCD that is called as 20 into 4. What is meant by 20 into 4 means there are 4 lines are there. Each line you can display 20 characters. So first you can design the circuit. Next I will explain the program. And third stage I will show the output. First, the main thing is I need the Arduino controller. First, I am selecting the Arduino controller. Next one is I need the LCD display. I am selecting the LCD. So in the last unit, I have explained about 16 cross 2 alphanumeric LCD. So today I am going to take 20 cross 4 alphanumeric LCD. What is the difference means? There are various types of LCDs available. 16 cross 2 means there will be 2 lines. One line we can display 16 characters. But today I am selected 20 cross 4. So there are 4 lines are there. Each line we can display for 20 characters. Next, we need an interfacing because first unit there is no need of interfacing. Directly we can connect the LCD with Arduino controller. But when you are using I2 bus, we need an interfacing. So the interfacing IC is TCF8574. So this is called as an interfacing. First, in Arduino controller, we are having I2 bus consists of 2 lines. One is called as an serial data, another one is serial clock. So serial clock means it is for generating clock signal. SDA means it is used to send the data. So now I am connecting the serial clock as serial data. Next I need a power pin. So I need a power. So I am connecting to A0, A1 and A2. Next one is this VDD. I am connected to the power. Next one is pin number 456. It is used to register select. Next one is I'm going to read write. Next one is pin number 6 is connected to the enable. Next one is pin number 9. I'm connected to the pin number 11. Next pin number 10, it is connected to pin number 12. So this is all about the connection of LCD display. It is interfaced with Arduino controller by using the interfacing IC TCF8564. Next, I am going to explain about the first one is you have to write the header file. So the header file is liquid crystal underscore I2C.h. So in the first unit, we have used the header file only liquid crystal.h. But here we have to use the liquid crystal underscore I2C. Next one is liquid crystal underscore I2C LCD. So here we need some address. So I have explained in the second unit, I have explained about the I2C interfacing. So first one is we have to send the address. So address is very, very important. Then only we can send the data. So here the address of the LCD device is 0x27. So 0x represents that is in a hexadecimal number. So 27 is the address of the LCD display. Next 20 means it is called as each line we can display 20 characters. 4 means 4 lines. Next we are going to the setup function. So setup function, there are 2 lines you are using. First thing is, this is a command, LCD command. First you are initializing the LED. Next one is backlight. If you see the LCD, so if you do this command, backlight commands, what means the light will glow, LED light will glow. Next one is, we are going to explain about loop function. First one is clear. Clear means it will clear all the display. Suppose I am displaying some character. So what means everything is erased. There is no display will be there. It will be clear. So that is called as an LCD clear. Next one is LCD dot set cursor. So first is 0 represents the first line. First line. 5 represents. So in one line, so we can display 20 characters. So if you put 5 means the first character will be displayed from the fifth character. So there are 20 characters you can display. So that is, it comes under 5th digit. So it will display from the 5th digit. So in the first line it will display triple E. Next you are giving some delay. After that, first line, first digit I am going to display second year. Next one is second line, 0, first, second line. So I am setting the cursor as second line. Second digit, from second digit onwards, it will start printing. That is 19EE302, our subject code. Next one is third line, that is the last line. From fourth digit onwards, it will print the embedded. So our subject name is Embedded Programming for Electrical Engineers. So we cannot print fully because the number of characters is 20 characters we can print. So I have put as embedded delay. So this is I have put in the loop function. So continuously this value will be displayed in the character LCD. So after writing the program, this is all about the program. Next, I want to verify the program. So verify button. So when you give the verify button, what will happen means hex code is generated. So this hex code is stored in the temporary file. So from the temporary file, I am copying that file and I am storing in the desktop. So now it is compiled. So the hex file is generated and it is stored in the temporary file. I am moving that file to the desktop. What is the procedure for simulation? Double click the Arduino controller. Select program file. That is, I have selected the file ILCD. Okay. You can see the display. See the first line, and we will get the triple E. Second line, second year. Third line is 19E302 subject code. Fourth line, embedded. See the first line, I give the first line, it will start printing from the 5th digit. Second line, it will start from the second digit. And third line, it will start from the third digit. And fourth line, it will start from the fourth digit. So if you want to display in the last means, you have to give the particular 16 means from the 16th digit onwards, it will start printing. So this all about the I2C communication. So I will give them assignment in the next week. So you have to connect the LED array with Arduino controller using I2C bus. So today I will give only one quiz. So next week you have to submit an assignment.